How to enable disabled apps in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable disabled apps in your iPhone. Now before we get started, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to enable disabled apps in your iPhone, first of all, you'll need to locate your settings app. So open up your settings. And after you open up your settings, you'll need to scroll down until you see an option called screen time. After you find screen time, open it up. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions. After you find that, open that up again. And if it's turned off, turn it on. And now what you'll need to do is head over to allowed apps and features. After you're there, you should see the list of different apps. Now make sure that these are turned on, such as camera or Safari. So simply toggle the button on to enable those apps. And it's basically that simple, and that is it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.